Bien, nos han comunicado que tenemos que dar la bienvenida sin ningún problema al teniente de alcalde do Concello de Vigo, Santiago Domínguez, e ao concelleiro de Deportes. Xa estamos preparados, Tiz, agora sí, cando queiras, porque non presentas aos terceiros participantes, aos que están en terceiro lugar. Adiante, Tiz.
And after a spectacular race where you saw those Evolution class boats that are so much noisier and faster than the Super Sports this morning, a great race, especially the battle for third place, which eventually went to a team. It's a privateer team. They've worked so hard all year. They've had problems. They've come through today with a lot of speed. In third place is the Belgian team of Centurion Yachts with Pierre Coppin and Frank Hemela.
Tercera posición, los hombres de Centurion Yachts, Pierre Coppin y Frank Hemela.
Joined on stage by Nico Huymans, who is normally in the team but not in the boat today. Nico as well.
Nico con ellos, aunque comenta Tiff que no ha estado en la embarcación esta tarde, pero también merecen un fortísimo aplauso. Tercer puesto, Centurion Yachts.
Fantastic. You had so many troubles with the boat. You said you would fix it from Tunisia. You fixed it, and a fantastic speed and a great result.
We are so happy today. We had the first place, unbelievable. But really, thanks to this man.
But he wasn't in the boat.
He's sick today, and he told me, okay, you have to do it for me. He's the man who will do that everything.
Okay, Nico, the boys made you proud. Congratulations again to Centurion Yachts. In second place, no longer quite holding on to the championship, not quite enough points to clinch their championship again this year. They still lead the championship though. It is Fountain Boats Worldwide, firstboats.com, Craig Shepherd and Craig Wilson and James Shepherd.
Y en segunda posición, casi se podría hacer con el campeonato, está en segunda posición, siguen líderes en la clasificación general. Hablamos de el Fountain Worldwide, firstboats.com, James Shepherd y Craig Wilson.
Craig, you haven't quite held on to your champion. You haven't won a race now since France in Marseille. Are you just collecting the points, or could you not have caught Honey Party?
We don't know, but we weren't racing Honey Party for the championship, so we just played it safe, sat there where we wanted to be. It's hard to finish second, but Honey Party drove a really good race, well deserved. They were fast, but we'll see tomorrow.
Thank you. Craig Wilson, James Shepherd, maybe champions again tomorrow. many races have broken down, but finally the speed was there and so was the reliability. Our winners today was honeyparty.com, Mark Pascoe and Richard Carr.
Os primeiros clasificados en cabeza durante toda a carreira, fanse co seu primeiro podio da tempada, os gañadores da novena ronda da clase Evolution, honeyparty.com, Mark Pascoe e Richard Carr.
Just a quick word, obviously relieved was the boat creaking. Were you hearing everything that might be going wrong that didn't go wrong this time?
When we got to the last couple of laps, I thought, well, is it going to or isn't it? But I pulled it back a little and just nursed it, and it was fine, and everything's cool.
Boat never missed a beat the whole way.
No, not a beat.
And so tomorrow another win, and then maybe the Grand Prix of the Sea result as well.
I'm not going to say that.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, of course, for the winners of the race, it is their national anthem, the British national anthem for honeyparty.com.
El himno nacional de Gran Bretaña.
Teams pose for their one more photograph of the winning podium. Don't forget, we're back tomorrow in 2 more races, and thank you very much. It's wonderful to see so many happy, smiling faces from Vigo. Love to you all.
A partir das 11 da mañá estamos na praia de Samil para que participen estes grandes ases do deporte na segunda rolda desta proba que puntuable para o campeonato do mundo.